Hi, my name is Andrei Zhukov, and today I want to share my experience about my first mechanical keyboard. I was thinking to buy it for about a year. Actually, I like my Apple keyboard, but I saw so many reviews about the mechanical ones, so finally I gave up and I bought this Iconix A80. At the end, 100 or $200 for the device which I use every day for at least 8 hours for the years, it's not a big price. My criteria are it should have layout similar to Apple keyboard, it should be 10 keyless. It should be silent. I don't want to wake up my kids in the morning. I chose Cherry MX red silent switches, and Bluetooth connection is a plus. The other candidates are Vortex Race, but it looks outdated and there is no Bluetooth. Varmil Mia Pro, but I did not find delivery to France. Then Dropalt, but there is no silent switches, and Keychron K2, there is no silent switches also. So when I saw this Iconix keyboard, I did not wait for a long time. It matches all my criteria, and I really like the design. The first day it felt awkward and my fingers are slightly tired, but the next few days it felt really good. Then I tried my Apple keyboard for half a day, and it looks like I can type on it slightly faster, but there is no such pleasant feeling like with this mechanical keyboard. And the speed is not so important for me as a programmer, it's more important to do things right. So I'll stick to this keyboard for a while. I think in a long term this pleasant feeling of typing can have a good impact on my productivity. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, subscribe, like, and see you in my next video.